Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm doing a special unboxing. I have myself the GoPro 7 Hero Black, 4K, 60 frames per second. Very happy with this. It's the special bundle, comes with some extra bits at the side there, which I'll come to in a second. Also lined up beside this is the Chesty right here, pow. And right here as well, we have the suction cup, which is perfect for doing those driving videos. So where should we start? Where should we start? Ooh, let's go to the suction cup. So let's pull this forward. We open it from the bottom here. And just at the back here, just gives you a couple of ideas. You can put it on the side of your camper van or your car. You know, you can pop it on the front of your motorcycle. And it shows you how the GoPro camera fits on this mount. It's essentially the suction cup mount. So let's pop this bad boy open. There we go. And this is what she looks like. There we go. We lift here, press to lock, and I can say that's a large suction pad. Looks very durable. That plastic is quite thick. It's not thin. And yeah, the quality feels good. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. So that is the actual. Ooh, actually did stick to the table there. That's the actual suction pad. Let's see what else comes in this box. What is in here? I know there's more stuff in here. About to play. What's this? Okay, that's used to connect the GoPro. And there's one more piece here which is something a bit difficult, kind of a bit hard to get. It's gonna have to get a bit rough. I didn't want to have to, but I did. There we go. And this part as well. Now, as I said, I'm new to GoPro, so I'm not sure exactly how all of this goes together. I'll work it out. So those are the parts. There's another compartment in this box. What's this? There's another part. So these are the parts you get when you get the suction pad. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That box is now empty. And let's just put that to one side. So we have now officially opened the suction pad. Let's go to the Chesty. It says here, Chesty, Performance Chest Mount by GoPro. You can see the straps which go over your shoulders and around your waist, and the camera will be positioned here. Flip open the back, and again, it gives you some examples, some ideas. You could go mountain biking, you could go skiing. You know, the choices are endless. So let's open this up. Let's see what we have here. Okay. I'm going to make sure I keep these apart so I don't mix up these parts as well. Right, that all comes out of the box. So let's just pop the box underneath. And let's see what we have here. Don't want you to miss a thing, so I'll move that out of the way. We've got some arrows here. I'm trying to be nice to this box. There we go. And let's take the screw out. Right, so let's assess what we have. We have this, which I assume is to connect the camera. We've got the screw as well, which looks like that will go in here. And here is the main event. It's held together by this little piece of, cardboard. And let's open her up. Okay, straight away I can see this is good quality. Now this center part, this chest part here, that's padded. And you can see it's vented as well, so you're not going to get a sweaty chest or sweaty stomach. This feels good. The harness itself is elasticated. And you can see you've got these little bits here which you can use to tighten up or loosen depending on your body type. So yeah, that feels good. I think I can wear that and be comfortable. I do some videos. If you haven't looked at them already, check them out. I walk all around London, capture all the sights, the lights. Especially if you're not from London, if you're not even from the UK, check out some of these videos. It may be the only time you get to see some of these events and people and clothing and all kinds of stuff going on in London, in and around London, and hopefully around the world soon. So I will be making these videos from now on with this GoPro harness, and that moves me nicely on to this GoPro camera right here. And as I said earlier, it's a special bundle. I was keen to try it because it came with this kind of like selfie stick tripod. It came with it comes with an extra battery and this memory card as well, which is a 32 gig SD card. Right, it says on the front here 12 megapixels, it's 4K at 60 frames, and it's waterproof to 10 meters, that's 33 feet, and you can do live streaming. On the side here, it just tells you a little bit more. It's 12 megapixel camera. You can do voice commands, touchscreen, you can do slow-mo, GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, and live streaming. And this tells you some of the parts, or gives you pictures of some of the parts. So, hey, listen, I'm excited. I really want to get into this box. So I think we pull this little blue cardboard here. Wow, that felt good. Okay, here we go. Let's open her up. Let's see how this box comes out. And let's see what we see first. Oh, it's like a little submarine. Watch this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. Voila. Okay, this is hard plastic case. Cardboard. Put to one side. And there she is. There is the beautiful GoPro. So happy, so proud. Our little friend the turtle on the back. Okay, so let's take the lid off this box. And we do that by lifting up here, opening up there, and revealing here. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. That's cute. This is the kind of selfie stick. I actually thought it'd be bigger than this, but this is more than ample. If we open this up here, okay, like so. This is great if you want to capture something on the ground, maybe cars driving by, people running past, anything of that sort of nature. This is an ideal height for it. I think you may be able to extend this as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, there you go. So you can, there's a little bit of height on it. So you can have it that height. There you go, look. 3 different levels. There's actually more. You can get it to however you like. So that's really, really cool. I like that. That will definitely be traveling with me. So we'll just put that to one side. What else do we have in here? We have some sort of mount with, it's an adhesive on it. You can see that. So we'll leave that there. We have a cable which is USB type C. We have a spare battery, like so, it's a small battery. We have another battery, so main battery and a spare. And we have a micro SD and the micro SD adapter. So this will be really useful if you need to pop this into a computer to be read. Lovely stuff. So those are all the extras. And of course, here is the camera. Now, I'm going to work out how I get this off. Bear with me. Let's see. What? Oh, look. In fact, I don't need to work it out. It's telling me. Let's just open this. Look, I'm not really one for instructions. Let's just work it out. Let's just hope I don't break it. Remove, it says here. Trying to be gentle. Well, I may need to read these instructions, and in fact, I think it's probably safer that I do. But you can see, this is the GoPro 7 Black. Really, really happy to have this camera. As I say, subscribe to the channel because there's going to be lots of content out using this camera, and I really want you to see how I put this camera into action. And if you're having thoughts on getting this camera, you can make a judgment on some of the videos that I make. So If you have this camera, let me know what you think of it. Have I made a good choice here? Is this a good camera? I hope I have made a good choice. Are there any other accessories that you think I should get, such as the wristband? I heard the wristband's quite cool. So if you've got any tips on using the camera, or just like, yeah, making the battery last a bit longer, leave a comment there for me to read, and I'll be sure to respond. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please share it with colleagues, friends, pals, frenemies, whoever. Like it, and as I say, subscribe, because there'll be some great videos coming out using this little GoPro. So thanks very much, and I wish you a good day.